Accessible web.
One of the things that I think is really interesting that I find in this work is digital accessibility work can be kind of highly emotional, both negative emotions and positive emotions. And a big one being like when we do audits or give people their results or do user testing, people can feel embarrassment, right? Or even shame, right, around that their digital accessibility isn't where they want it to be. And I really want to encourage people, right? You can't tell people how to feel or how to react to something, but if that is something that you feel, or if it makes you worried about submitting something to be reviewed today, to recognize that that is a normal response. We see it all the time. I've experienced it myself in my accessibility work. And that means, to me, that means that you are in a great place to be working in that progress over perfection idea. So take that as encouraging of like, hey, like, learning this, learning that information gives you the opportunity to make it better. And if you are feeling those emotions, to use that as motivation to get the work done, to work with folks on getting those things improved. Um, and that it's really critical to not let, or to me, I feel it's critical to not let those emotions or to not let anxiety around having that experience to prevent you from getting feedback, from getting help, for getting expert opinions, and from doing the work, because we can turn those into motivation, and also that we can experience then frustration when we're trying to get that work done and maybe are facing barriers within our organization, barriers to technical limitations, barriers in our own knowledge or our own testing experience, and that encourage you that these are emotions that we feel in this industry, and that again that is normal, and that is something that we encourage you to reach out for support with, whether that's from us, others in your organization, lots of other groups out there, and this is a very supportive field of folks that really want things to work better and want to help you do better, and just want to kind of recognize that sometimes those emotions can kind of come up in this work, and that at the end of the day, like, it's a really awesome experience when you do work on that accessibility and then you do the UX testing and see how much it's improved and see like what was had a lot of barriers and now we've addressed so many of them, that's a really positive emotional experience and can really have a sense of accomplishment and pride in doing that work. So also want to encourage you that there's light at the end of the tunnel in terms of, even if you're starting an accessibility journey with some kind of negative emotions around that, that doing this work can really lead to a really positive experience for you and for users and audience members and the folks that are going to have a better experience with your content because of that work.